fixing to go walking with Grandma here in just a minute. I'll probably be back on the forge here in just after we're finished. I'm almost done with this forge. I've been making it, and it's been taking a long time to finish. A lot longer than I expected, but we're fixing to go walking here. I look
like a pig. I have a tendency to give over to this left leg, though. It bothers me. You know, I believe I've had a... Dr. Walton said he thought I had a light stroke on this side.
Really?
Before. Yeah. Long time back, I had some problem with my blood pressure. And I went over to him, and I had a spell or two where I couldn't talk or something, you know.
You did?
Yeah.
Like you don't remember it or something?
Yeah, I remember it. My words wouldn't come out. They were, you know, he said it sounded like what they call a...
We're about to go get something to eat.
Yes. We're going to eat at, man. Are we going to Dairy Queen?
Dairy Queen's fine. I like Dairy Queen and Burger King burgers just because of that charbroiled taste, I guess. Let the flames lick the meat.
Selma Adams.
But anyways, we're fixing to head to go get something to eat real quick. Give me some lunch, peoples. From my grandma.
That's good. That like a little camera?
Mm-hmm. Sit. Yep. Shows you the time you're running and everything. I've been videoing how I'm making that forge.
We better not lay that down.
No. What about 200?
That cost 200?
Mm-hmm. Guys, I'm talking now.
Okay.
I like these $6 menu meals because you get like ice cream with it. And so I'm fixing to get me an ice cream. I forgot about it actually. I've been sitting here eating, and then you said something about ice cream. I was like, wait, what? I forgot about that.
It's all right.
But I'm gonna get me a chocolate. She's gonna get her a strawberry. So we just chilling today. I don't know how I'm gonna do this. I've been debating about. I've seriously got 3 days of worth of video on this camera, and I was thinking about putting just 2 days all together in one video, but it's taking longer than that. And plus, I don't know if I can be able to put more than 2 days because it takes so long for it to upload. So I might be doing each day individually, guys. I might be doing it because it takes so long to get it on from here to the computer to YouTube. So
I just unload it quicker, you know.
What?
I would keep it unloaded.
Yeah, I'll have to. Right now it's halfway, and I've got 3 days on it. So
that's what I do.
Right now I've got 3 days on it. So, but anyways, we'll see. I've got a lot of footage. We'll have to see. Look at that big old tree stump back there, guys. I don't know if you can see it right there now. Just riding around.
Look how they hit that house on top of it.
Yeah, you know what? Look at that. They've got solar panels on that house, and that house is not even really. I mean, it's not that nice of a house for solar panels. Oh, it did burn down. It did burn down. Look at that. It's still smoking.
Wow, I bet you left there.
Wow. I don't even remember that house being there. I don't remember. I bet somebody was in there doing drugs or something.
I would doubt what it was said.
And it was probably just burned.
I would doubt what they said. Can you get it? Can you see it?
Yeah, I can see it. Yeah. Old house. Man, it did burn, didn't it?
Yeah.
All the way.
Sure did.
I wonder where it started from.
See, that's what I had in mind. That was that.
Oh, this one?
Nice house.
Yeah. See, I don't even remember that house back there. I don't even remember that house.
I remember, but can't remember what it actually looked like either.
All right, peoples. So I'm fixing to go ahead and get started on this, the rest of this Anvil stand, and then I'm gonna see if I can test it out for a little while. We got church tonight, so I am gonna take some videos of church, and yeah, we'll go from there. But I'm hoping this will be the last video of of the forge making. I hope that I can be able to use it from now on. But anyways, we'll see. Anyways.
A pair of jeans, a shirt or two. We didn't pack as if we weren't going back. It doesn't matter if it's true. I've got a feeling love will give us what we lack. The world is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door. Yeah. And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights. Tomorrow feels a year away, like the seconds, the beginning and the end. But if in time it's yesterday, your picture's gonna bring it home to me again. The world is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door. And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you
Guys, I gotta go to the store and get one board. I'm missing one board to finish this. I looked in the garage, couldn't find any boards, so I'm gonna go grab it, come right back, and I'll see you in just a minute. All right, guys, so we just got back, and I don't know why I said we. I just got back, and I'm fixing to work on this anchor. This my mind just went blank. Anvil stand. Sorry. Whew. Anyways, I'm gonna work on this some more. Try to get it done today. I'm probably not gonna be able to work on it, play with it today, but I'm hoping to have the setup complete in just a minute. I'm gonna put that board on it, drill out the hose, put the anvil in, and I should be finished. And then I'll be ready to go for just some fun, probably, probably tomorrow. But I'm gonna be done with the setup in this video right now. I'm gonna be done with it. It took me actually 2 more days rather than what I thought. So it's taking a little bit longer than I thought. And it's taking more of space than I thought. So I'm actually cleaning out me a space here. I'm gonna show you guys. I'm cleaning out a space right here. I know my garage is really dirty. We just bought it, and it kind of has a lot of crap from when people came in. So I'm actually gonna be cleaning, me and Harmony's fixing to clean this out this weekend. We're gonna be burning a lot of crap. But I'm gonna put my stuff here. I cleaned out a little space. I'm putting my forge and my anvil right here. So that's the plan.
I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights. Tomorrow feels a year away, like the seconds, the beginning and the end. But if in time it's yesterday, your picture's gonna bring it home to me again. The world is waiting up, the world is waiting half a step beyond our door. And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights.
I'm on my own, broken alone. I feel the rain crashing down. All around this empty town, we're searching for the lost and found. But you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air, like a blazing flare. Just stare, cause the flames will burn us. I thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. Used to kiss your head when you cried for me. Hold your hand while the pain was over. Pick you up by the roaring sea. You meant the world to me.
After this long and hard wait of a couple of, like, what, 4 or 5 days, maybe 6 days, maybe even 7 days, guys, I got it finished. The forge is done. The forge is done, guys. The forge is done. Made my anvil. I anchored it with some lag boats.
And I made my forge. Applied with regular easy heat. Stupid mosquitoes. But I got my forge, guys, and if it ever messes up, I can always replace. I'm excited. I'll be using it tomorrow. I'm just glad I got it done.